So what this does is it froths milk, okay? You froth milk in here for your Starbucks drinks. Let's check this out. It's called a Verismo, whatever that means. Maybe I'm saying it wrong. Verismo? Huh. All right. Cha-ching. Here it is. What does it do? Or it heats it up. It's got a plug and everything in it. Let's put her there. All right, we got to get this out of here. This is, I don't know what that does. Does something though, right? Oh, look. We might want to read those. And this looks like the bottom of it here. Huh. I mean, this thing has never been used. Yep, that's it right there. So, let's see what's inside here. Oh yeah, look at that. And this has some instructions. I guess you can make cappuccino and lattes. All right, so that's that. I don't know how to do it, but yeah. Apparently you plug this in like that. Then this just goes on here like this. And then if I press this button, it turns on. And I guess it makes your latte in there. Shows you how much you can put in there. And yeah, bam, done. Hit it again, turns off. So what this does is it froths milk, okay? You froth milk in here for your Starbucks drinks. So bam, done.